Alright, here's what I can't believe. The water came up to the sandbox. The water's actually going down a little bit now. Look at that down that way.